What this is here is Jeff Johnson's plugin advertising to us, and it's a pretty easy fix. Just scroll to the bottom, traffic getting, click on advanced, toggle the dashboard widget off, and submit. Now we go back to our dashboard. It's back to normal. Okay, let's get back at our plugins. Let's open up our website in a new window here. I want you to keep an eye on our tabs right here. And we need to add two tabs, two pages. One for Contact Form 7 and the other one for the Google privacy policy. So let's do that. Pages, add new. Let's call this one Contact Me or Contact Us, whichever. And we don't need the Sociable plugin for this one, so right here click Disable Sociable, publish, and let's add new. Call this one Privacy Policy. And again, disable Sociable and publish. Now we come back here and refresh our website. Here we are. Right now, Contact Me is blank, and so is Privacy Policy. Let's go back here and fix these up. Okay, first what you see over here in the side, this is your SEO pressure plugin, and it looks to me like I did install the new one instead of the old one, and I may even go back and change it to the old one because I prefer it better for now. So to fix up our privacy policy here, we go to Settings and click on Google Privacy Policy. And all we need to do is pick this up here from the arrow to the arrow, outside to outside, and we copy it. We go back to our pages. We go to Privacy Policy and Edit. And right here, we need to make sure we're on text, not visual, but text. And we simply paste what we just copied right there. Now let's update it. Now we go back here and we refresh. We click on Privacy Policy. And there is your website privacy policy all built for you. Pretty easy, isn't it? Now let's do the contact form. Okay, we go to Contact, click it. And this time we just grab right from here, and that's from the bracket to the bracket. Right click, copy, back to your pages. Go to your contact form and edit. And again, we must be on text here, not visual. We paste, update it. Now we go back to dashboard here. But back here, when we refresh this page, there you go, people can contact you right from your website. And it's a good idea to test this, make sure it works. I'm going to test mine and I'll meet you back inside of the dashboard. Alright, this part may sound a little bit silly to you because it looks like we already have a home page, but we don't. Right here, this is a blog post. This comes preset with WordPress. And our website is a blog. We're going to actually change it into a website. And some people prefer the home page to be their blog posts. I don't. So let's go back here and let's go to Pages. Let's add new. And let's call this page home, and let's publish it. Now if we come back here and we refresh, not much has changed so far. Now our sample page, we're going to turn this into the page where our posts go. So let's go back to our pages again, all pages, and let's go to sample page and edit, and let's highlight all of this and just delete it for now. Now let's call this blog, and you might as well change this right here too to the same thing, blog. And let's update and come back here and refresh. There you are. Now let's come back here and go to our settings and reading. Now what you want to do is front page displays a static page. You want your front page to display, where did home go? It's supposed to say home. So I'll check into that. Let's go to pages. I see it never published. Let's edit then. And let's publish. Now we can go to our settings, reading, and our front page displays a static page, front page displays home. Our post page, this is our blog posts, displays blog. Save changes. See, there we are. We just made a major change. We need to fix up the bulletproof security plugin. And let's refresh this page to see the changes here. Here we are. Our home page is now home. And our blog page is where the hello world is. So I'm just going to quickly fix up the bulletproof security plugin, and I'll show you how easy it is the second time around. Plugins, installed, settings, click the top one, the next one, bulletproof the top button, bulletproof the second button down, security status green, good to go. Back to dashboard. Alright, let's go over all of this stuff over here on the left. Some of it we need to worry about, most of it we don't. All-in-one SEO pack, we don't worry about that until we actually get making a post or a page. Posts, this is where you write your post by simply adding new. Media, this is where you upload files to your website. Pages, this is where you create a new page. Comments, it comes preset. Contact, we covered. Appearance, this is where you add a WordPress theme and add your header and such. Plugins, you already know. Users, you can add another author to your website. Tools, the only thing to worry about here is video sitemap, and we can't do anything about that until we have a video on our website. VPS security, we don't touch. Traffic getting plugin, we're going to add our blog details and such here in the future. SEO presser, it comes preset. Your sociable plugin, that is right here. And if you write a post or a page and someone comes along and they like it and they tweet it, or Facebook like it, or share it, this is very good. The search engines like it. Down here, this is your comment love. People can check here and leave you a comment. The search engines love it. Now what we need to do is come back here. Let's go to our settings. Let's go through our general settings. All we need to do for now right here is click our time zone. Scroll up until you find the city that's closest to you, that's in this list, of course. And for date format, I like using this one. Time format, I like using this one. Week starts on Monday. Save changes. Now the rest of the stuff over here on the left we don't need to worry about too much. One thing that we do need to fix up though is our permalinks. So click here. And you want to make sure custom structure is checked. And delete all of this stuff. And this is how it goes. Slash percentage year percentage slash percentage post name percentage. And that's exactly how this goes. And you save changes. And I'm going to fix up a bulletproof security plugin here again and meet you back in the dashboard. Okay, now over here on the website, I'm going to get rid of all of this stuff. Here's a tip for you: never ever have an ad above the fold. And by above the fold, that's what people see when they first come to your website. If you ever do have an ad, make sure it's down below. And remember that this is your blog. Don't make it look like a billboard. Right over here, this is where your autoresponder goes to collect people's contact information. And all I have down below that normally is a feed widget. So let's go and get rid of this stuff. It's really simple. Over here we go to Appearance and Widgets, and we simply left click on all this stuff and hold it and drag it over into this big box on the left. Now we come back here and we refresh this page. It's blank. So for now, I'm going to grab a hold of this text again, left click, hold, put it up in here. And for the sake of showing you how this works, I'm going to put autoresponder goes here, and I'm going to save it and come back here and refresh, and there we are. See how easy that is? Very easy this stuff is. So now let's go back and let's find the feed widget and left click and hold, place it right underneath where that text is, and all we need to do is save and close and come back here and refresh. Now as visitors start coming to this website, they will show up here like they show up in my other website. Like this. You can see where your traffic's coming from and most of the time where they go to. And this is what I'm going to have you have your website look like, with all of this traffic from different places. And this is free traffic, don't forget. Free traffic, if you know what to do with it, equals money. Now let's go back to our dashboard. We are almost ready.